Hi guys, today I will tell you in detail what this custom bike is made of. I managed to assemble it for $70. Let's start with the rear wheel. I painted the disc with a regular can of chrome effect paint. This way I saved $150. The wheel was put on the car by a Moskvich. Stop signal made from the bike's headlight. The springs are original, only the angle is changed. The pendulum has been expanded. The filter is original. Inside there is a fishing line in motor oil. Carburetors K68. Oil SAE. The fang is from an Ij motorcycle. The emblem is painted. I put the ignition switch under the saddle. I installed electronic ignition and so that the ignition would not heat up, I made holes. I installed the ignition coil from an OK car. Brake drums and engine have been polished. Mirrors from a Chinese moped. Harley Sportster steering wheel. Recently a pipe fell off at speed, had to be repaired. And this plug is for less weight and more speed. If you want more cool videos, then like and subscribe.